This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl. Wonderfully maintained manufactured home in Birch Bay Village. 2-bedroom 2-bath, 1,056 square feet. Huge front deck partially covered. Laundry room off rear entrance, storage shed, beautiful evergreens, fenced yard, lots of parking. Birch Bay Village amenities include golf course, private saltwater marina, beaches, parks, playgrounds, clubhouse, community swimming pool, 24/7 security, miles of paved low-speed limit roads great for long walks. Use as a rental, weekend retreat, or all year-round living. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl at 360-220-7175.